Guys, what's up? What is up? Kuya Jason with Our Life in the Philippines. So today is a very exciting day. It is the very last step of our house build. What do I mean by that? Well, for those of you who have been following along our journey on our house build, know that we had a lot of delays on kitchen cabinets, and took two visits before, one for the bathroom and then the island, and then they came in and did the bottom cabinets in the kitchen. Today is the day they're gonna finish the kitchen, which will be the end of the project, the end of the building. That will be the end of Jeremiah and JLC Builders coming here. This is the final. Man, it is hot today. Luckily, these guys are working inside. It's our garden that we're starting to work on. So let's see. I've made some preparations for these guys. You can see something there. Moved the car so they had plenty of area to work. And let's go inside, I'll show you. Take off my shoes there. So on the inside, I moved everything so that they would have plenty of space to work. Don't want anything to be in the way. Don't want any mistakes. So they'll be installing the top set of the cabinets from there to the corner and then to this corner. And they're supposed to be like that. They're supposed to be rather large. And then there should be one light. You can see the socket there. So that light will go underneath that part. So I need to talk to my contractor about that. So, all right, I'll be back. So these are all custom made aluminum cabinets. And you can see we had it like, there's like a pillar in that corner, so he made this so that it would go around the pillar. Gonna be doing a lot of drilling. I'm gonna need to get my vacuum out so they don't make too much of a mess. Make sure everything fits. There's the second one. That will go in the corner there. Guys, let's do a little check-in here. So they got the... I'm just chilling in the corner, watching these guys work. I did talk to my contractor, and he did say that he's going to install the light underneath the cabinets. Hey guys, while they're in there doing that, I just thought I would ask you guys for your opinions. Couple questions here. So we are obviously going to do some landscaping around the outside of the house. Maybe it's kind of hard to visualize with my car right in the front yard of my wheelbarrow there. But a couple ideas I had. Just take a look at these real quick. Let me know what you think about some of our ideas. This is the Philippines, so it's a very hot tropical climate, very humid. We get free water from the well, so watering won't really be an issue. If it does become an issue, then we're gonna get some city water installed, which we probably will anyways eventually, but just not right now. So those are my ideas. What do you guys think? All right, let's get back in there and see what's going on. Just real quick, guys. I know a lot of people are gonna ask me, what am I using to do those photos? So just let me show you real quick here. I'm going to take a photo of this and I'll show you how to use, it's called Gemini. So let me show you. When they do these cabinets, they build about 50% in their shop, and then when they come, so they're about 50% built. Basically the shell, they'll do all their final measurements, and then they assemble just to make sure everything is perfect, and then they'll install all the doors after everything. You can see. Basically just the shell, like the outers, will be done when they come, just to make sure everything is perfect. So then installing everything there. All right, I'll check back once they get all the doors and this section. Actually, I'll check back once they get that section in, because I'm really curious to see how that's gonna look. I'm hoping, I got an idea in my head. I'm hoping it looks all right. So we'll see. I'm thinking there might be like a spice, be able to put spices in this section. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys, let's take a little peek here. So I did get the part above the stove. I was watching this guy do the caulking. He was really good. I wish I could do caulking like that. So they're gonna do all the doors, and I'm not sure about a shelf on there. I'm gonna ask him about that. That part where they have the, what do you call it, breaker panel. It's almost like a wasted space there because of that panel. But, all right, I'll be back. Just a little word of advice. Before you get married, meet your in-laws. Hopefully you get lucky like me. I love my in-laws. They are installing the gate to our garden here. My father-in-law and mother-in-law actually put this gate up for us while we were away. It's a little snuffy. So they're still working on the cabinets, and my in-laws showed up. So I said, well, let's go out and help them. So let these guys do the cabinets while we do this. I'll be back. Oh, where'd it go? There it is. That's something you don't see every day. Helicopter in the Philippines. What is this, Vietnam? Good morning, Vietnam! See a helicopter, hon? All right, let's go take a peek and see how the inside's looking. Working on the doors. Looking good. right, guys, let's take a look here. It is currently 6 p.m., so they've been here for about 5.5 to 6 hours. And the house is full of mosquitoes. A lot of mosquitoes that came out. So I got my bug light here. Catch some of these mosquitoes. Very nice and shiny. That definitely looks so much better. The very large cabinets that we went with. So we got lots of space, lots of storage space. We'll be able to empty out the supply room there, the pantry. All right, we'll see what it looks like after they're done. After they leave and we put the refrigerator back. We'll see. Stay tuned. All right, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. A little mixture of things going on here today with the cabinets. A little bit of AI for you guys. Show you how to do that. And even had a helicopter. How about that? If you watched to the end, leave a like, leave a comment. Feel free to subscribe and share if you want. I'll show you the final. Zoom out here. Finally, you don't understand how happy I am to finally get this done. It took a couple months to get the cabinets. I'll just show you. First they came and they did the island cabinet. Then they came, after about 3 weeks, they came, did the under the sink cabinets with the drawers. And then they finally came and did the top cabinets. It did take a lot of time. These are all custom made. We actually, I went to City Hardware and I looked at their cabinets and I talked to the contractor and I was like, hey, instead of doing these custom cabinets, why don't we just buy these pre-made cabinets from City Hardware? And he said, those are junk. So I went back to City Hardware and looking at them from the front, you know, they do say aluminum and they did look kind of nice, pretty nice. And then my wife says, the whole inside's all plastic. So I opened the door, looked inside, all the walls are plastic. The only thing aluminum was the front, like, door. So she was right. Once again, women are always right. Right, hon? They were junk. Compared to these are 100% aluminum, very high quality, thick aluminum. And they even have the slow close hinges. Those are not cheap. And if you add up how many of them, I mean, there's tons. Even the bottoms are all slow close, and even the drawers are slow close. So yeah, finally done. So, all right guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, peace. Just one more shot with the cabinets all closed. I didn't realize I didn't get a good shot. So this is what it looks like with all the cabinets closed, all matching, beautiful. The only thing left actually is the light that will go under here. And I already talked to Jeremiah, so we'll get some lights under there. We already have the socket, and then that'll plug in, so there'll also be light here. So we got light, light, light. See how far he can go. But, all right, stay tuned for that. Now it's the end of the video. Peace. Oh, where'd it go? There it is.